This is Wang Qingyun, one of two Chinese athletes that have come here to Slovakia. A big slide from Wang there. Both of them looking to gain experience with the intention of getting to the 2022 games. Wang Qingyun, just 20 years old. Tentatively making her journey down a World Championship slope for the first time. No history in World Champs or Paralympic Champs for Wang Qingyun. But she will at the end of this run, should she make it to the bottom at least, and that has proved difficult for a few of the standing athletes this morning. Around about here on the course we had some near misses, but not so much this time from Wang Qingyun, and she gets across the line. Bosnia and Herzegovina's Ilma Kazazic up now. 10 of the 12 female starting athletes in this standing class made it through. 2 DNFs. Kazazic inside the time of Wang so far. All of the women's standing athletes will be very aware that Marie Bochet shows no sign of slowing down in this dominance of the women's standing class. But Kazazic, steady so far, big slide and almost the brakes going on fully. She does have a good lead over Wang's time as she starts to make her way into the finish line. The standard tuck position, finishing 4.92 seconds ahead. And now on to the second of the 2 Chinese athletes, Guo Xiaqin. And just the use of the single ski pole in the right hand for Guo. Already well inside Kazazic's time. Went 1:20.59 this morning. And still maintains a good advantage. Oh, steady. And there it is. So Guo Xiaqin, 2:40.93. Karate of Switzerland, just 22. Physiotherapist when she's not competing. She's been doing that since about 2010, but this is her first trip to the World Championships for Elena Krate. She's inside the time that she needs to step to the heights of the leaderboard. It's always the first aim, to make sure you go to the top of the pile at the end of your run, because you've got every chance then. These people Lash out. You see how hard that left leg of Ktranjska was working there over a very bumpy section. We're into this final drop down then. She's inside the leading time. Plenty of encouragement being offered at the bottom of the course. 6.86 ahead, 2:34.07 for Ktranjska. This is Petra Smatova from Slovakia. Inspired maybe by the Farkasova success. Getting real tight to the gates. A few course repairs already needed after this one, and already 4.5 seconds quicker than Elena Ktranjska. 28-year-old. 2 fifth place finishes and a 6th during Pyeongchang. Smatsova's time 2:28.52. She goes to the leader box. How long will she stay there? Mel Pemble, first of the 2 remaining Canadians. Frédéric Turgeon will be watching on, but bitterly disappointed not to be in the mix for a World Championship medal. Mel Pemble will want a World Championship medal. There's 4 above her when she starts. But she's down on Smatsova, who has come up with a good run. And so far, Pemble has lost time. Just 18. Pushing, moving through the gates. Trying to carve out some extra speed, but at the moment it's behind the time of Smatova. This is quick down the bottom end though. She may well have made up a little as she gets to the line. Oh, not enough. 0.7 out. Slovakian stays at the top. Ami Hondo with Muraoka at the top of the sitting category. Japan would have a very good day if they could pick up a standing medal as well. Ami Hondo finished the first run in 4th position. That's the place to be should there be a DNF above you. But she needs to get past Smatsova. 2:06.52. Smatova, she is inside. Half a second to the good for Ami Hondo. Oh, just a little out of balance there. And everything and anything can slow you down. 2:28.52. Hondo. No, it's outside. Lost time at the bottom end. And now all of a sudden Smatsova waits for the final 3. Great chance for a Canadian medal. Alana Ramsey, the oldest of the 3 Canadians, racing here in this giant slalom. Well inside Ami Hondo, but it's the bottom section where Smatsova has done the damage. Can this 24-year-old from Calgary find herself a World Championship medal yet again? A silver and 3 bronze in Tarvisio. She looks like starting this year's World Championships the same way. 5.32 the difference. There's the smile. It's a medal. What colour? Andrea Rothfuss. Might have thought she'd be battling it out with Anna Maria Rida in this event. Not anymore. DNF for her compatriot in the first run. Means that Andrea Rothfuss has a chance to take the silver, as she did behind Boucher in Pyeongchang. Or can she find something that's big enough to get gold? Oh, mistake! Oh, it's a big one as well. Well, there's movement straight away, which would suggest she's okay. It looked more awkward maybe than it is. She's straight up here. Oh, and that's huge for Petra Smartseva and Alana Ramsey. Let's take a look here as she bends into this right-hander. Just starting to turn into the left. Oh, just a stumble forward. And that is just how it can go. Very much nothing. You see the Canadian coach was expecting to watch her go past. I'm not sure whether she's done any damage or not. She doesn't seem to be in pain, but she can't understand it. She raises the arms to one side. And hoping to raise her arms in success will be this lady in a moment. The 2 at the bottom, or 3 at the bottom. In a non-sinister way, we'll be hoping that Boucher struggles. It's not something that Marie Boucher does. A 24-year-old from Chambéry, already well up at the first intermediate. This would be gold number 15 at World Championships. She is flying again into the final few gates then. You can't find enough superlatives for the brilliant Boucher. 13.78 seconds quicker, and that is World Championship gold number 15. Sensational. Well, the flying French lady has done it again. 2 silvers in Tarvisio, 1 silver in Pyeongchang. The only other colour she does is gold. The only time she hasn't medalled at a World Championships was back in 2011 when she DNF'd in the Super Combined. She's gold again. Alana Ramsey comes into second. Petra Smartseva adds another medal for Slovakia here on day 2. Ami Hondo will be gutted. Started ahead of Smartseva. If she'd have finished ahead this time, like she did in the first run, Hondo would have had the bronze. But it's Smartseva behind Ramsey, behind Boucher.
Cool.
Andrea Rothfuss hopefully is okay, crashing out with the chance for a medal. Let's go and hear from the winner.
Thank you very much, Alan. Joined now by Marie Boucher. Marie, a huge congratulations. Another gold medal for your collection. It never gets boring, does it? It never gets easier either.
It's never easy. It's always a new battle, a new race, and every time I think I don't work enough and I'm not too ready to fight with the girls, because every time I think she progresses more than me, and every time it's very difficult. I promise it's a big battle with me, with myself, and I'm very happy today to.
And how did you find the course out here today in Ktranjska Gora?
It's crazy, very amazing. The condition is very perfect. The rock very good on the slope, and we have very good condition to make very good ski, and I enjoy it because it's not always, I promise, and we make some training in hard condition, and it's very nice to have a condition like today for racing.
Well, we can't wait to watch you over the next couple of days. Congratulations. Our world champion, Marie Boucher.
To see the ski.
Women's sitting event coming up next. And good to hear from Marie Boucher.